Hey, you. Yes, you. Quick question. If you had only 1 week left to live, would you still be scrolling right now? Be honest. If your answer is no way, then congratulations. You've just realized something important. Life is short. But here's the real question. Are you spending it wisely, or are you just existing like a potato on autopilot? Well, stick around, because today we're diving into how to make the most of this wild, unpredictable, beautiful, and ridiculously short thing called life. The problem: time is running out. Let's be real. Life is like a phone battery that you can't recharge. Some people are at 90%, some are at 50%, and some are dangerously close to 1%. But guess what? Nobody knows when their screen is going to turn black. Most of us act like we have unlimited time. I'll be happy when I get rich. I'll travel when I retire. I'll spend more time with family next weekend. Sound familiar? The problem is that weekend keeps getting postponed until one day, boom! You look back and realize you spent years prioritizing emails over sunsets and notifications over actual conversations. So how do we fix this? Simple. We need to start living intentionally. Here's how. Step 1. Cut the clutter. Imagine this. You wake up and your house is filled with 5,000 random objects. Clothes you never wear, old receipts, an ancient TV remote that doesn't belong to any TV you own. You'd feel overwhelmed, right? Now think of your life like that. You're holding on to too many unnecessary things. Negative people, useless habits, pointless arguments. Declutter your life like you would declutter your room. Get rid of toxic people. Say no to things that drain you. Unsubscribe from drama. Step 2. Chase experiences, not things. Remember when you were a kid and happiness was as simple as chasing a butterfly? Somewhere along the way, we traded butterflies for brand names, likes, and followers. But here's the truth. Nobody's last words are, "I wish I had bought more expensive shoes." They're usually, "I wish I had spent more time with the people I love." So instead of collecting objects, collect experiences. Travel, try weird foods, dance even if you have 2 left feet. Make memories that don't need a price tag. Step 3. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Ever heard someone say, "I'll be happy when I graduate, when I get a better job, when I lose weight"? Newsflash, life isn't a waiting room. If you keep postponing happiness, you'll spend your whole life waiting instead of living. The perfect time? It's now, not next year, not next Monday. Now take that trip, start that hobby, call that old friend, say "I love you" more. Whatever it is, do it now. Step 4. Invest in people who matter. If life is short, why waste it on people who drain your energy faster than a bad phone charger? Spend time with those who lift you up, not those who bring you down. Here's a fun test. If you spend an hour with someone and feel exhausted afterward, it's time to reevaluate that relationship. Life is too short to hang out with emotional vampires. Step 5. Find your purpose. Imagine a bird that refuses to fly. Ridiculous, right? But that's what we do when we ignore our passions. Each of us has something we love. Writing, painting, helping others, solving problems, making the world a little better. Find what makes you feel alive and do it. Because at the end of the day, nobody remembers the person who just existed. They remember the ones who made an impact. Closing, the big reminder. All right, let's wrap this up. Life is short, shorter than we think. But instead of fearing that, use it as a wake-up call. Cut the clutter, chase experiences, stop waiting, invest in good people, find your purpose, and most importantly, live, really live. Now go do something that makes you feel alive. And if you need a sign to start, well, this is it.